How to call Kelvin in Sons of the Forest. So to call Kelvin, you must understand the key character trait. So Kelvin is technically deaf due to the helicopter crash, so you cannot shout at him or use voice chat to get his attention. So here is how you can effectively interact with him. So first is get close to him and you will see this prompt that will appear, which is your letter E on your keyboard. So just hold it and this will open a notepad. And you could use your W and S keys to navigate to the notepad right here and D to select it. So here I just made him follow me. So I showed him the notepad just right there. And if whenever I go, he just basically follows me like that. So there are tons of other stuff that you can make him do, like clear 5 meters, just like that. So he'll basically clear out everything within a 5 meter radius. As you can see, he's clearing out logs and stuff. You could also make him take clothing, make him stay, take a break, maintain base, build fire or shelter or other stuff right there. You could also make him get sticks, rocks, logs, berries, or and other stuff. But if Kelvin is far away and you want him back at the base, you cannot whistle or signal. You must physically walk over to him to interrupt his current task. Though if you are within his line of sight, he will often look at you and give a thumbs up to acknowledge it is still working, but he won't stop unless you use the notepad. And if Kelvin is lost, you can check your GPS right here by clicking on M on your map, and you'll see that K icon, which is basically where Kelvin is or where Kelvin's location is. So you just follow that location and you'll eventually see Kelvin, which might be stuck on like a wall or something, which is the reason why he might have not followed up to you. But if you cannot find him in the GPS at all, he may be permanently dead. And if that happens, he is gone forever. Though you could use the cheat code in PC. So just basically type cheat stick. So here I'm just going to type in cheat stick, just like that. And it should allow the cheats in game. What you can do is press F1 on your keyboard, then type in add character, then type in Kelvin just like that. Then it will revive Kelvin in the game. And that is how you basically call Kelvin in Sons of the Forest.